little bit of a late start getting to the shop, but we're gonna head over there, grab a drink, go throw some stuff in the FC, go do some retuning. Road to Strato. Let's get it. Today I'm going to throw on these new 2200 cc's from CPI injection. A little water leak to fix, and yeah. Used to have 4 IDX 1050s, and since I got a big 66mm turbo, honestly, just like maxed them out completely, so I had to lower my ref range like 6,000 something. Not ideal, so got 1050 IDXs in the primaries, and now 2200s in the secondaries, so that should be good. It's the old boys. So yeah, tune that, get my revs back, should make a lot more power up top, should be way sicker. One other problem I have is when it gets super hot, my fuel pressure seems to go down a little bit. Pump gets super loud, so I think I underwired it. Got the radium fuel cell here, dual pump 392s, but it's a little undersized, so I'm gonna set up some new power right from the battery, run a different relay and direct, and then that should hopefully fix what I got going on. Lens is too zoomed in. All right, so got both fuel pumps wired in. Sounds a lot better. So now I can actually throw in and gotta throw in a fuel pressure sensor too. Calibrate that and make sure that is dialed and stays dialed, so I shouldn't have any problems when it gets hot now. And then next thing is this coolant leak, and then I have this old swirl pot design that I don't think was really that efficient. So go ahead and make something new and change that, and yeah, a bunch of leaks. So. Alright, so I took the old water neck piece that attached to the swirl pot, cut it off, took a stock housing that holds a rad cap on top. Already cut it, angled it, so it should sit in the proper angle now, which I will show you. Obviously, bolts right there. That'll sit like that. Should sit on pretty flush. And then this way, rad cap will be closer to level, and then this will dip right down to go to the bottom of the beam out there. What do you think of the event, bro?
Yeah, I gotta say it was hands down super fucking sick. Jay's out here fucking tapping walls. Rye guy's out here fucking slaying. Fucking rocket ship boys here.
Master cam.
Red Deer stands for rocket ship. And rotary. R.
Rocket rotaries, come on now.
How's your first drift event?
Man, sick as fuck. Big passenger princess, but loving it.
Huge. How was your first drift event?
Kind of shit. Fan overheated, car overheated. I tapped a wall. Yeah, got a bank, whatever.
Could have been better.
Yeah, no big deal. Just another day for the Red Deer boys, really. Just another Thursday night. Really. Hey.